Today, I'm here to explain about the question. Determine the vertical asymptotes of the rational functions. First of all, you need to know these two terms, asymptotes and rational function. You have no idea about these two terms? Rational function is a function like these, which is the function y equal f of x over g of x. I mean polynomial by divided by polynomial. These are rational functions. Okay? Then what is asymptote? Let me explain about it. To explain about it easily, I sketch the graph of y equal 4 over x. Let me sketch it. So how you sketch it, it's just simply find the points of this function. 1, 4, when you plug into it, 2, 4, 1. So the graph is going to be like this. And also here. Okay, this is the graph of y equal 4 over x. Okay, now where is asymptote? The answer is here and here. There are two asymptotes. The definition of asymptote is a vertical or horizontal line that a part of the graph gets very close to but never reaches. Look at this x-axis. Even though when the value of x is really big, it cannot be 0 and it cannot be negative either. On the other hand, when the value of x is really small, it cannot be 0 and it cannot be positive either. It can cross here. The line that they can cross but they can barely get close to, it's called asymptote. Okay? And the red one is horizontal asymptote. Blue one is called vertical asymptote. Okay? Then in this question, you need to find vertical asymptotes. How you can find it? So you need to the asymptote, so vertical asymptote. It's like this. So you need to find this line. The graph is going to get, which is the graph is going to get close to but never reach. How you can find it? Okay, then what you need to do to find vertical asymptotes? To find asymptotes, you need to find the domain of the function. Do you remember what are the domains? Domain is the possibility of x values of the functions. For example, in this function, you might think you can put any x values into this function, but actually denominator cannot be 0, so x cannot be negative 3 or 3 either. Okay? So why you need to find domains to find vertical asymptotes? If domain has all x values, this means the graph is going to be like this or like that. This means it cannot have any vertical asymptotes. But it has domain like negative 3 and 3. It doesn't have the value here, so graph has to be go like this or like that. Because the graph cannot have any x value in the function. Okay? That's why you need to find the domain of the function. And especially in the case of rational functions, you need to find the x values to make denominator 0. That's what you need to do. Okay? So in this question, vertical asymptote are x equal negative 3 and x equals 3. Okay, let's work on another question. G of x equals 2x plus 3 over x cubed negative 4x. So like I said, you need to find the domain of this function. To find the domain, let's find the restriction. X cubed negative 4x equals 0. Denominator cannot be 0. And let's factor it. Plus 2x negative 2 is 0. So x cannot be 0, negative 2, or 2 in this function. This means vertical asymptotes are, give me a time, x equals 0, x equals negative 2, x equals 2, these three. So again, to find vertical asymptotes, you need to find the domain of the graph. And in the case of rational functions, to find domains, you need to find the cases, find the x values to make the denominator 0.